In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect your iPad to monitor wirelessly. So let's get started. Now, the first thing to know is that the easiest and most reliable way is using AirPlay. And for this to work, your monitor either needs to support AirPlay directly or be connected to a device that does, like an Apple TV. And both your iPad and the AirPlay device needs to be on the same Wi-Fi network, otherwise the option won't show up. Now, to get this video started, go to your iPad and then you want to swipe down from the top right corner. Oops, like this. You want to swipe down from the top right corner and open the control center. And now you want to tap on screen mirroring and you should see a list of available AirPlay devices right here. Here, you just want to click on your monitor or your Apple TV from the list, and within a second or two, your iPad screen will appear wirelessly on the monitor. There's no pairing, no setup screens, it just works. But now, if your monitor doesn't support AirPlay, another option is using a wireless display adapter like a Chromecast or some similar device connected to the monitor. I'll show you how that looks like. This is a Chromecast, but keep in mind though that Chromecast doesn't fully mirror iPads for free. It just works best with apps like YouTube and Netflix that support casting. So once you connect your Chromecast to your TV, in certain apps like the ones that I mentioned, like YouTube and Netflix, you can mirror your iPad screen to your television using Chromecast, but it doesn't fully mirror all of your screens. Like if you're on the front page, it just doesn't mirror that. It'll only mirror stuff like YouTube or stuff that supports or apps that support Chromecast specifically. Now, there are also third-party screen mirroring apps available on the App Store, but most free versions come with limitations like watermarks or the time limit, so AirPlay is still the best free option if you have access to it. And if screen mirroring doesn't show anything, make sure again that the Wi-Fi is on, both devices are on the same network, and that AirPlay is enabled on the monitor or Apple TV. Sometimes it's disabled by default. And once it's connected, whatever you do on your iPad, apps, videos, or presentations show up live on the monitor. So anyways, guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.